Just wanted to say thank you so much for all of the comments on day one's vlog. The day that I put that out, I was a little bit nervous because I was like, oh man, I'm committing to Vlogmas. It's a lot of work, gotta find stuff to do. But seeing how excited you guys were made me happy about deciding to do it, and then just made me want to vlog more. So as for today, I've done some work and now I just really have it in me to clean the house. That's all I want to do. I need to do laundry. I should probably cook something for tonight's dinner, and then my beauty room where I film my videos is looking a little bit like a nightmare right now. There's stuff on the floor. My makeup needs to be sorted and organized. And what I've wanted to do for a while now is actually go through all of the products that I'm not using, put them together in a box, and give them away. And I really want to donate them to a women's shelter again this year. I remember last year, it was right before Christmas time too, I believe. I actually put all of the stuff I wasn't using. It was like a bunch of makeup, skincare, hair care in a box. And then we took it to the women's shelter. The box was so heavy I couldn't take it by myself, so Andy had to take it to the door for me. No men are allowed inside, but he rang the doorbell and then somebody came to help him out with the box. And I remember the door was open and he said women were inside playing bingo. And I just remember feeling happy because the women said, oh, they're gonna be so excited. We're gonna use some of these products as prizes for bingo. You probably just made a bunch of their days. And that made me really happy, but also really sad to know that these women don't have a lot. And I don't need any of this stuff. Like, I don't need the amounts of stuff that I have right now. I'm so grateful to have it, but anything that I'm not using, I just want to put it together in a box and take it to the shelter in the next few weeks. And especially for the holidays, I think it's really nice too, so. Okay, brace yourselves, you guys. This is what we're working with. I got a corner over here that it's just like some stuff that I've purchased, some PR products that I have to go through. I have my makeup table that I film with that I think is just leftovers from the last time I was filming. I have, oh my goodness, I have my containers full of all of my product. There's some in here, there's some in here, but I'm not gonna be able to do this today. Maybe in there, maybe I can get to some of that. But I would love it if I'm able to condense a few more of these down. Like a few weeks ago, I went through these containers and I got rid of a lot of product in here. These can come out. So I was really happy about that. Like 2 pretty much empty drawers. Those are just all back to back products in there. But yeah, if I can go through a few more of these, I'll be happy. I'm gonna start by removing all this from this room, so I have to get rid of it. I'm just opening up some PR packages, and I came across this one where there's a bunch of L'Oreal Luxe goodies in here, but I feel like you guys might really like this Urban Decay Party Favor palette because it seems quite festive, especially for the holidays. It has some glitter in there. So I'm thinking I want to do a giveaway with this. Stay tuned for that. I don't have any of the details worked out just yet, but I will in the next few videos. And then I'm also thinking maybe something like this too, the Lancome palette. It's called the Hypnose palette. I always love these pops of blues. I just never wear them. So I'm thinking some of you might actually be able to put that to use. Good afternoon, everybody. Today is a new day. I'm feeling a lot better today than I was yesterday. I started all that cleanup. The day got away from me. I cooked dinner. And then after dinner, I actually spent a few hours in here cleaning up, decluttering, although it doesn't look like it right now, but I promise you, I did a lot of work. There's still a lot more to be done today, so I decided that I'm going to turn on the camera. We're going to continue the cleanup today. I'm going to show you more of it than I did yesterday. And just to update you guys on what all this clutter is up here, these are all the products that I've pulled to donate. There's also another bag in another room, and then also stuff that I want to do giveaways with. So yesterday I told you I had, I think it was 2 drawers empty. I now have 3 drawers completely empty, and this one was a big one, so I'm pretty happy about that. But I was at one point able to clear 4 of them, but then I started putting some powders in here. But I feel like I could probably get rid of some more stuff in these ones to put the powders in, so then I would have 4 empty containers. These containers, by the way, are from the Container Store. I have a bunch of different sizes. So these big guys right here, they hold most of my skincare. And then the medium size ones, like the bigger items, I have palettes, foundations. And then these guys over here are mostly for like the lipsticks, the smaller items. I think what I want to work on today are the lipsticks, because this is excessive. Nobody needs that many lipsticks. And to be quite honest, I don't use this many. There's a lot that maybe I haven't even touched in months, maybe a year. And there's just colors that might look very similar to one another. So I was thinking I'll keep one, I'll give away the other to somebody else who would use it more than I would. More lip products mixed in with some eye products, or like glitter liners and eye bases in the back there. I just saw I have another lipstick. Okay, but this one, I will say, I picked up on Black Friday and it was only $6.75, which previously, last month, I bought for full price. Well, during the Sephora BIB sale. $6.75, are you kidding? So I picked up another one, and this is literally my current favorite gloss at the moment. Bite Beauty French Press Lip Gloss, Salted Caramel. And it is limited edition. It's one of the natural lip glosses. Now, as for the filming table, I was able to get rid of all the random products that were sitting on top of this yesterday, but I actually have a plan for this reflector. So I use this to reflect light onto my face when I'm filming, but I have a new one. Ta-da! The one that I'm currently using has seen some pretty rough days, so I am going to switch it out. I actually really love just the white tabletop, but that reflector does really help when filming. Perfect. Looks much cleaner. It's a little bit longer on this side, but that's okay. It's a little bit of an eyesore, I know, but it definitely helps. So now, the things that I have on here when I film, my mirror. This one brush is killing me over here because it's just like one, but it's a big one and it won't fit in here. But I put all of my everyday brushes, or the ones that I reach for the most, into here. They definitely need to be washed, so I'll probably do that later today. And then hopefully, maybe I can get this into here. So when I film, I'll have clean brushes here, and then I can put the dirty ones in here. This glass also needs to be washed. But I'm feeling really good about this progress. I don't remember the last time that I saw this table without anything else on it. Okay, are you ready for this? I'm feeling so good. Look at the top of those containers. It is clear. There is nothing. It's wiped down. There's no dust. It's clean. I did the ledges. And then over here, I have everything situated again. Look at that table. It's so clean. I can't even get over it. The amount of space I'm gonna have when I film now is ridiculous. So the camera's back to where it was. I took it out the other night to use for filming the setup of the tree. Got my other lights here. You can see you guys saw what it looked like last night. It was a nightmare in here. Definitely worth it. Now I just gotta do those lipsticks. All right, wish me luck. I'm going to pull them all out, sort through them, see if I want any of them, group them into friends and family, donations, possibly giveaways, and clean this baby out. All right, this is monumental because this is Andy and I's first holiday drink of the season.
First one together, you had one.
No, I did not have a holiday drink. I had a holiday cup. It was not a holiday drink.
You know there were rules to this.
We have a peppermint mocha together every year, and this is our first one on December 5th. And look at how nice he made it.
never know.
Not Andy, the barista.
The priest bro.
The barista bro. Cheers.
There's no manly way to make this on camera.
It's also 9:30 at night, so I pray that I can sleep tonight.
Chocolate all over your lips.